Welcome back. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to teach you the grammar in context, adverbs in Unit 1, which is a part of the syllabus Communicative English 2. Read the passage given below and make a note of the words highlighted. Our college is often referred to as GAC. There is no need for expansion of this abbreviation. Everyone in the city and around know that it is Government Arts College. Sports Day in our college is a spectacular event. After every sports day, the local newspapers are awash with colorful photographs of the event and a report highlighting the sports talent in our college. Usually, a distinguished personality, most often a high-ranking IPS officer, is the guest of honor. Though it is Sports Day, there is also a cultural extravaganza showcasing traditional folk arts like Karagam, Poikal Gudirai. They also have demonstration of yoga. Silambam, a traditional sports, is also presented. Apart from these, the students make exciting presentation and formation through aerobics. The Karagam performers move rhythmically to the music. While watching the aerobics performance, my heart skipped a beat when the students daringly performed the act of jumping through the ring of fire. They bravely performed the act of fire breathing. Note the words daringly, bravely. They are adverbs. Write down in the notebook. In Silambam, the sticks are wielded dexterously. The ability to move swiftly is most basic to all sports performances. The aerobics demonstration was performed energetically. The transitions from one exercise to another were done quickly. Note all the words highlighted and write down. One of the sportsmen in our college is a national champion in rifle shooting. He gave a scintillating performance by rapidly firing at 100 air balloons, and he was right on target for all 100. Our college also has a champion in tightrope walking. Without faltering, the tightrope walker slowly and steadily performed the act. The gymnast also held the audience spellbound as they gracefully displayed their skills. Note again the highlighted words: slowly, steadily, gracefully. These are all adverbs. Notice that the words highlighted are related to actions. These words are adverbs. An adverb, by definition, is a word that describes or gives more information about a verb, adjective, adverb, or phrase. Let's enrich our knowledge of adverbs by learning adverbs of manner, comparative and superlative adverbs. Adverbs of manner are usually formed from adjectives by adding ly. In the passage Sports Day at GSC, the adverbs highlighted are adverbs of manner. Here are some more examples of adverbs of manner. First, they are badly affected by the virus. We can easily move the cupboard to the other end of the room. The doctor gently told them that their father's condition was worsening. Carefully go through the accounts. He spoke angrily. A few adverbs of manner have the same form as the adjective. Example, they all worked hard. She usually arrives late or early. I hate driving fast. Exercise. Choose the appropriate adverb from the options given. I have highlighted the answers. See that? The aeroplane landed safely on the runway. The judge told him to answer the questions truthfully. The cab driver drove recklessly scared. If you want to be fit, eat healthily. Misers save money by living frugally. Spendthrifts live lavishly. Models and film actors dress stylishly. The beggar was shabbily dressed. It was a grand wedding. The venue was decorated exquisitely. The doctor, who is an expert, examined the patient thoroughly. Comparative and superlative adverbs is given here. An expression like move slowly is a comparative adverb. Comparative adverbs are used to show change or make comparisons. Words and phrases as intensifiers with superlatives. Examples are given here. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again next time with another interesting topic.